So today I am out for a ride with my son Mackenzie. I'm so happy. He's decided to come with me for a ride. So we're gonna go for a couple hours. Although he hasn't been on a horse in 5 years, so we'll see how it goes.
Take your time.
Relax.
Take your time.
We decided to sell the farm and hit the road. We're on an adventure of a lifetime with our 2 horses, our 2 motorcycles, and our 2 dogs. I'm Rhonda, and this is Jay. We are Pleasure Ride RV. Hit the subscribe button to follow on our next adventure. So this is Rima Ridge Road and Tram Rd equestrian. You come from the north down from 40 and come in, turn left, and I will again show you the park. So I noticed this year they took out the porta potties and put in a vault toilet. So then you go through the gate here, and I'll explain again how this works. If you turn right after the gate is site 1 after the round pen. You want to go around the park? So if you turn right, you come up to the round pen. And then right on the other side of the round pen is a corral and site 1. Site 1 is a back-end smaller site. Across from the round pen is where we were last year, which is site 2, which you get from going around here and coming in that way, or the other way. Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. So this is site 1. And this trailer, I'd say it's probably a 32-foot trailer, and it just basically fits in there for site 1. Site 2 is a pull-through site. It's where we were last year. Don't go into the site, Nick. Which we may have to move over to site 2 because we couldn't stay in site 4 for as long as we wanted to stay. So we may have to move over to site 2, which the trailer went up against that tree right there. Then this over here, if you went straight down from the gate, is site 3, where that motorhome is. It's a fairly big pull-through site. And we came in the other gate, the north gate, and pulled into site 4 when we came. That's the trail. We just went down. That's the trail we just... Yeah, we did.
Oh, yeah, we did. Yeah.
And then we came in from that gate down there and pulled straight into site 4, which is here. And that's how much room we have above the motorhome from that tree. Now this tree right here going out will be too low. We will have to back out of our site.